Welcome to Crypto Vibes with your boy Lex Millie. Um, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin today. It's going parabolic. It just blasted through 30K, and I definitely want to look at the charts and let you know what's going on with it. If this is the first time that you've come to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button, and it definitely helps me out. It helps YouTube know that I'm here. And with all that being said, let's get started. No matter what, hey, no matter what's going on in my life, I'ma be a hustler, baby. I'ma be a hustler, baby. No matter what, hey, no matter what's wrong or right, I'ma be a hustler, baby. I'ma be a hustler, baby. Okay, so real briefly, just looking at Bitcoin here, it's definitely moving. It's up 8% for the week. It just blasted through 30,000. I'll look at the all-time high here shortly in a few minutes. But on the 24-hour, it's up 6%. Ethereum is up 3%. XRP is up 4% for the week, 2% for the 24-hour. Cardano's up 3.50%. And the altcoins haven't started yet, but they're coming. Dogecoin is still, hanging around the 8 cent range. And Shiba Inu still at number 14, only up almost 2% for the week. But it is above the 1100 mark, which I like to see. So that's pretty good. So let's talk about it. On this article here by The Edge, they talk about Bitcoin climbs past 30,000 for the first time since June. Pretty exciting. I think we've all been kind of waiting for that. And now we're actually seeing it unfold. What's the next level, right? In my opinion, I'll share that with you at the end of the video, what my price prediction is. So please make sure that you hold on, that you stick around to the end of the video. Sorry about that. So it says here, Bitcoin climbed 30,000 for the first time since June 22nd, rallying more than 80% since the start of the year. Huge. It keeps going on to say here, the rebound is even more intense than a nearly 20% gain on the NASDAQ 100, with which Bitcoin has tended to move in tandem, and retraces some of the digital tokens losses from 2022 following a series of crypto-related blowups. Still, Bitcoin is down more than 50% from its all-time highs. We're just getting started, guys. I would like to see us get to the halfway point, which would be somewhere around 40-ish, around there. But let's keep reading here. 30K is a very significant for both technical and fundamental reasons, said Mati Greenspan, Quantum Economics Chief Executive Officer. The resistance has been building up for 3 weeks straight. And I think we can all feel that, right? Because it's basically been consolidating and has now finally broken. This is the first time we've crossed that level since the collapse of Terra Luna and Three Arrows Capital. It basically means that the price has fully recovered from Celsius, FTX, and the US regulatory crackdown. So Bitcoin is holding it down, y'all. That's pretty exciting. Let's look at the charts here, and it's just showing the upside breakout. Right there, it broke that little moving average. All three moving averages got smashed. That's pretty awesome. And if you look at the last time it did that, it just went boo right up. So we're doing it again. It's about to happen. Bitcoin, like I said, I'm going to give you my price prediction at the end of this video, so please stick around. It says here, and let's look closely, Bitcoin's breakout above stiff resistance at 30K comes after a so-called squeeze of the Bollinger Band, which saw historical volatility fall to the lowest since January. The compression back then resulted in a sharp move upward that looks similar to Tuesday's upside breakout Traders following the technical patterns may now be looking at the next level as 30,800 area as first potential objective, followed by the 31,200. Now, I don't have those numbers. I have a different number in mind, but I'm sure you can get really technical and break it down to these little numbers. I'm looking for much bigger, much bigger breakouts. So let's look at the charts real quick. And here we are. We got Bitcoin right here, looking strong on the 4 hour. It's just finally showing a red little candle there. But we are above 30,000 right now. It looks really good. If we look at the technicals, you guys can't see that right now because I believe my picture's there. But we're up year to date 81%, 45.9% for the month. And on a 3 month, we're up 72%, and they have it as a strong buy. Looking really, really good. So let's talk about where I think it's going to go, right? Obviously, this level here is the one that we've been waiting for. And where do we go from there? In my opinion, let me just see if I can. Yeah, we'll do that later. All right. So in my opinion, we're here at the 30.9. What's the next level? I have it at 32,440. Why do I have it there? Let's back up a little bit. That always helps, right? Understand why we're there. So I'm just going to move it back just a hair. Move it back. I might have to go to the daily, and I think I'm going to do that because it'll look better. So let's go to the daily, and let's just squeeze it in and move it up just like this. And we're also going to remove some of these pivots so we don't have to see that. So with that being said, I'm actually on the 1 minute. I'm sorry. Let's go to the 1 day. There you go. It looks a little foggy right there, but we're going to fix it. There you go. All right. Bam. Look at that. Look at those levels, guys. So why do I think that we're going to the 32? I basically just marked the levels, guys. That's all I'm doing. It's clear as day, in my opinion. It's right in front of our face. And I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger so we can see it just a tad better. There you go. We hit these levels here where we hit a lot of levels at around the level that we're at right now. Like we're literally dancing right on there. But this level right here, the 3240, if we can get into this range right here, right in here, if we can get into that range right there, it's going to be pretty interesting what's going to happen after that because we literally just, and I'm just backing up so you can see why I put this line here. This is the last time it went up and then it went straight down. So those are good levels to mark as indicators. And it's at 32,440, right? So that's our next level. Once we get past, if we can start hanging out around, and let me just focus on this area real quick. 1 second. Bam, we'll just move it like that. All right. So we already know why that's there, right? So if we can get above this 30, what is it? 3380, right? Which I think was the high today and the high for the year, mind you. If we can get past this little level right here, and we can somehow get in this range, our next target is 3240. 3240. That's the level I see us going to next. I think it could happen very soon. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then what happens after that, right? What happens after that is there's really nothing stopping us from here to here, right? Absolutely nothing stopping us, and I can show you that. We can zoom back out. Let's go right here, and this is why I put this level here. Now there's some in betweens there. We can actually put one here. Let's add a line there. All right, so we'll put one here. This is probably a good level that we'll probably see that one too. So we'll draw a horizontal line. Bam, there it is right there. And that's it, because this big gap that we have to fill right here, we got destroyed right here. Okay, when we went from 40 all the way down to 26. So that was, and then from there we consolidated, and then we went all the way down to 17,000 guys. This was back in, I want to say June, June, around June 18th, almost a year ago. Almost a year ago. And then we did it again. We hit the bottom again at 15.8, 15 around there, and that was back in November. Since then, since the new year, we've moved up. It's been rough, it's been up and down, but at the end of the day, we're sitting right here, okay? Right where we want to be. And this is why I marked this level. So let's get back into our chart so we can look at it a little bit bigger. There you go. And I'm not like perfect with this charting movement, but work with your boy. All right? I'm just trying to give you the vibes, okay? So our next level is going to be 3240. I think we can get there, guys. Let me just draw a little line here. Let me see if it'll let me. Yeah, I think we'll get here. And then from there, we need to go there. So that's pretty exciting. That's where I have my marks, and I think we're gonna get there. So pretty exciting times for Bitcoin. And I like to do videos about Bitcoin because Bitcoin leads the market. It pushes everything. You see the little green light behind me there? We're in the green. It's a beautiful day. I'm happy it's not the red one. And this is kind of the moment we've all been waiting for, guys. So I appreciate you guys stopping by my channel. Like I said, if this is the first time that you guys have came to my channel, Crypto Vibes, your boy Lex Millie, always trying to give you the good vibes. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.